We are aboard the Azamara Onward. We haven't even gotten our bags yet, but wanted to give you the room tour. We are in a Veranda cabin. All Veranda cabins basically are the same, whether you're a V1, 2, or a 3. It's just different levels of the ship and different positioning forward or back. We are looking at room 6083, so we are on deck 6 towards the aft of the ship on the starboard side of the ship. And let's get your room tour. Knock, knock. Who is it?
Entrez-vous.
Okay. All right. Veranda room. I will let you be the Vanna White of the room.
Sounds wonderful. Well, of course, you got your deck plan, your evacuation station, where your life jackets are, all the general safety information.
Well done.
Thank you.
Yep.
They use the magnets for do not disturb or make up my room.
Perfect.
Your lights are right here when you come in.
They do
take a minute to
second.
warm up.
Yep, good.
The wardrobe, it's over here. It's dark, but there's a light that comes on when you open it.
So they do have a couple of robes, which is nice.
They are very thick.
Plush.
Yes.
Like it. And then this is, our take-home totes.
Yes, and you do get to take these home with you.
There are a ton of hangers in this closet right now.
Yeah, we do have a couple of umbrellas.
Good.
Full-size umbrellas.
Cool.
I don't see slippers.
No, I didn't see them either.
And then up above is your life jackets.
Okay.
Up there. And this one, we do have the refrigerator.
Some extra blankets up there.
And if you have short things, I guess you can hang them.
I guess so.
We put the waters in the fridge.
We did get some, all the water is complimentary, so we put them in the fridge to chill.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers.
Yep.
They're good size. Definitely could fit a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah, they're almost the depth of my hand. Yeah, we're good. Cool.
Just to finish off this corner unit.
Storage space up top.
Here.
This is where the waters were. We put them in the fridge over here.
This is our laundry bag. We did buy a package, and with our package, we do get 5 bags of laundry during the voyage.
I'll get you a look at
other prices.
Other pricing. I will get a better snapshot of those, but cool.
This does not look like a very big bag. But honestly, when we were on this cruise in June,
a 16-nighter.
We got a lot of clothes, and then we ended up only using like
4 nights, 4 uses of them.
Yeah.
And it was more than enough, and we've got 5 with our package.
Yeah, so it'll be plenty. The safe is small. You're not going to get a laptop, but you can get your passports and leave your wallet, jewelry,
and that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then below, what do we have? Just
some extra shelving down there. Okay, cool. Let's go to the spacious bathroom.
Yeah, that's one of the biggest complaints you'll find is the size of the bathroom.
I do have a couple of...
And these are attached. This is great because my makeup bag is heavy and those magnets that I buy do not hold it. So this is great to have these.
The magnets are in your mom's luggage.
Okay, we'll grab those.
Good.
Anyway,
I'll go in here because only one person can be in here at a time.
Barely.
So up here you do have a small space, a couple of more glasses for rinsing water. They do offer LMS products, so you've got a bath and shower gel, hand and body lotion. You've got your conditioner, shampoo, and a soap, and a shower cap. Some towels, they'll do that and replenish those all the time. Then you've got, of course, your toilet scrubber. I think your toilet paper is supposed to be on that little thing there, but they've got it over here. Yeah. Your waste basket, a little sink, hand soap, and then the shower, which is
step on in.
We've had
put you in there.
Okay. So this is me. I'm not quite 6 foot. But yeah, so let's go ahead. Yeah, I mean, you're here. It works for sure. They do also, if you can get this, have the line for drying your clothes. So that's nice, but it's one person, and my elbows are not
in the shower,
in the shower. So,
which can be annoying. This is a fabric curtain, but it is pretty thick. It's not like attacking you. But at the same time, the floor is all the same, and there is a rivulet with a drain. It's hard to see
on both
on
sides,
both
actually.
sides of the shower. So, as my mom pointed out, just leave the shower curtain open. If it gets wet, it's all fine.
There you go. Nothing, no harm, no foul, right? Okay. So that was the ever so spacious bathroom.
Over here, you can see, looks like we've already got our USB
Yep.
plug in there.
In both of the lights, you do have a USB. Then you've got the reading light function. You've got a universal outlet.
There. And then this is manual on and off.
Yep. There's your thermostat up behind your head.
Yes. It's doesn't read a temperature, it's just a dial.
We definitely need it cooler.
I already turned it cooler, honey.
It needs to be cooler. All right. You do have a hook here and one hook here. So you've got the two in the bathroom and then the two out in the room. This is a king size bed. Lovely. I do enjoy the headboard's nice.
Yeah, and the bed is very comfortable.
Yes.
Never had any problem.
Previous experience on a different cruise.
The pillows are a little soft for me. Last time we asked for a firmer pillow and he never came back with anything. So we will ask again on this one because I'm going to need a little bit firmer.
Okay.
And see what
we'll
happens.
see if it happens there. The nightstands have plenty of room. Again, we've got a USB here. I bring a little cube that has multiple different things that I can charge, just make it easier. I did not check my electronics, so I've got most of my electronics just in the drawer there and down below. Okay.
I say under the bed, you can store your luggage when we get it. It is pretty spacious. If you have really tall luggage, like we do, you can open it up and slide it underneath.
Yeah, so we've never had a problem storing any of our luggage underneath the bed.
So this couch is not very big. It's more of a love seat. Two people can fit on here, but you're going to be close to one another. There's not going to be a lot of space. Snug, yes. But they do set this up. It's a nice table that is dining height. And when you order room service, they will put the white tablecloth and do all that. We'll have to do that one of these days.
Okay, cool.
Desk over here. They've already provided us with some shore excursion booklets and our 15-night voyage, and then today's program.
We walked in. We don't have our luggage yet, but they already had we had pre-booked 2 excursions, so we already had the tickets there with guides about, hey, what to expect in these different countries.
Yes. Down here you have another set of drawers. These are not quite as deep as the ones over there. Only goes to
so for my hand, about half the hand maybe.
Yeah, but 4 more drawers.
Cool.
And on this side, just have the hair dryer and another shelf, pretty deep.
So you do most of your hair drying at the desk?
Yes. Your makeup getting on, you're not doing that in the bathroom. Let me just... There's no room in the bathroom.
Excuse our wine. We decided to enjoy the wine while we're waiting for stuff. You do have multiple more outlets here. I don't even know what all these are for, being a dumb American. So...
Terrace light. This one's marked.
Yeah, one light is marked.
We are still in the port of Miami.
One thing I do love, there's obviously I want a veranda balcony that I can lounge at, and Azamara doesn't do that, which is unfortunate. But one thing they do very well is this table is perfect for room service, and these chairs,
Nice
being
and comfy.
plastic, okay, but they both have padded seats, and this is fantastic for room service out on the balcony. And yes, we are in the Port of Miami.
And they are loading all of our food.
A lovely day. Say hi to the people down there. And we are, oh, look at all the food we're getting delivered. And you are all set.
Gotta love embarkation day.
Well, I hope this helped. Let us know what questions you have. We'll try to answer anything that we have not covered.